Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. I want to show you everything I did again, just like I did yesterday. I showed you the results. I showed you how I took the entries. I gave you the strategy. I gave you the strategy setup, everything. Nothing to sell, nothing to hide. So if you like, all you have to do, make sure you watch my videos till the end, and you also subscribe to this channel. Remember, these trades, we entered them yesterday. What I'm going to do today is to look for more trades together with you. And if you do not have the settings, you might watch the previous video. I won't waste much time on that today. I have it on the previous video. Just check the video, or I'll put the link of that video in the description for this video. So I'll just go ahead and look for more trades. Alright, here is a good one. On the main chart, the 13 EMA has crossed the 50 EMA, and on the RSI, all the moving averages touched the 90 level, and they all crossed the 80 level. This is a good setup for a sell. So right away, I'm going to sell Euro CHF. And one thing that I can say, I am on H1, zoom level 1. Zoom level 1, just zoom out, and then you move to the first step in the zoom level, and the time is about 6 a.m. 10 past 6. I'm using South African time, Cape Town time, which is GMT plus 2. I hope I'm not missing out any details I should be giving you. Ask in the comments section for anything you might want to know. Euro USD. I'm going to take a risk on this one because I can see almost all my entry rules. On the main chart, the 13 EMA has crossed the 50 EMA. On the RSI, all the moving averages did touch the 90 level, and they have all come to cross the 80 level, even though the green moving average is still on the 80 level. But I am hoping it is going to cross. So this is a good setup for a sell on Euro USD. I'm going to sell. Now for the stop loss and take profit, I use the 50 line on the RSI for my first TP. So at the 50 line level, you can take partial profits. If you don't know how to take partial profits, maybe I can just show you. Let me show you on CHF JPY. I want to close partial profits here. Alright, before I can close right here, I am going to set the lot size that I want to close. I want to close half of this, so I'm going to set 0.05. I'm going to close half of the running trade, and then that is it. I have closed half of the trade. You can see right here it was 0.1, but now 0.05 is remaining. That is how you close partial profits. GBP CHF, a good setup. The moving averages have crossed on the main chart, and they have touched the 90 level on the RSI and have crossed the 80 level. So this is a good sell setup. I wanna sell at 0.1 lot size, sell, trade, Let's see GBP USD. Yes, yes, yes. GBP USD on the main chart, 13 EMA crossed the 50 EMA. On the RSI, all moving averages touched the 90 level and they all crossed the 80 level. So I take a sell. Where was I? NZD CHF. Yes, yes, yes. Looking good. I can take a sell on the main chart. I have a cross on the EMAs, and on the RSI I have all moving averages having touched the 90 level and they all have crossed the 80 level. So I sell. I don't look at other things. I only consider the strategy. NZD USD. Yes, yes, yes. A cross on the upper side and all moving averages touched the 90 level on the RSI and they all crossed the 80 line level. Look at how simple this is. I'm not considering any complicated information. This is all I do. I check from time to time, especially in the morning hours. No trade. I must be here. This is a buy setup. All moving averages touched the 90 or the 10 line level and they all crossed the 20 line level. On the main chart, the 13 EMA, which is the red EMA, crossed the blue EMA, which is the 50 EMA. I buy. That's it for this morning. I'm going to check maybe an hour later to add more trades. Maybe the last thing that I can do is to remove these trades that I took yesterday so that we are able to see today's trades. We are able to watch today's trades without any disturbances. So here are the trades that we took this morning. Let's see what happens during the day. Just a moment after I entered the trades, I entered these trades around 6 at 10 past 6. So it's exactly 50 minutes, around 50 minutes from the time I entered these trades. Now what I noticed is that most of the trades, as you can see, most of them moved right into profit. And the beautiful thing about that is because you are able to have very tight stop losses for such a strategy. If you enter trades and all of them move right into profit, it means you are able to have tight stop losses. And if you can have tight stop losses, it means the strategy is good for small accounts. This strategy is looking good so far. I'm going to hold and then come back to show you the results. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful.